YouTube, what is up? Fix these glasses. I'm eating one of those protein cookies again. Right now. Went to the gym, took a shower. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. And we're back. Last night was crazy. So, actually, let's finish start off. Obviously, I haven't looked at the charts today for Tuesday. And I'm not gonna make videos of me looking at the charts like this week. I'm gonna go over it in this video, but like I'm not gonna trade. Obviously, I told y'all yesterday. But boom, my guy T posing right there. But as I was saying last night, I go to my car, and there's another ticket. Now I have 3 tickets on my fucking car. And I tried starting my car, and it didn't turn on. So after I make this video, me and my boys we're gonna get some jumper cables, and you have to jump start my car. So yeah, I can't I can't let my parents find out about this because it's not my car. Obviously, I mean, you know, it's my dad's old Jeep. Still nice, but you know it won't turn on, and I don't know why, don't know how. But we're gonna figure it out tonight, and we're gonna get it done, baby. I'm gonna pay off my tickets. No, I'm not paying off those tickets. You can trade in like canned food and shit for where I am to pay off the tickets. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna steal some. That sounds horrible. I'm gonna take some, and we're gonna pay off those fucking tickets, boys. And I don't think I've said it on here, but I believe that if you're free with money, it'll always find its way back to you. And y'all remember those parlays that I was talking about? I literally need $165 to pay off my credit card this billing cycle. Guess how much money I made last night off the I can't even speak. Off the Minnesota game. And I needed 165. Look. $165. Hold on. Go back. Off these bonus plays, and they hit, obviously, boom. 90 and 50. We made, that was 140, and I made 25 the other day. We made exactly 165. We made exactly what I fucking needed. Just like I said, if you're free forming with this money, it'll always find its way back to you. Always. I need to finish this fucking cookie. Oh. Yeah. That's pretty hype. Also, I used to resell shoes. And I still had a couple pairs. And I'm selling a pair and some pairs of shorts for like $270. So we're making $270, $165. I'm still up right now. I'm telling y'all. As money comes and goes, it's always out there for whoever wants it. So, my little makeshift curtain fell down while I was asleep. The pencil fell on my fucking face. I don't know if I showed you that. I was holding him up by pencils. I just jammed him in there, and it was a fucking beach towel. So yeah, I was gonna move my room around a little bit. Put my bed over there. My shit's under my closet, so I can see. Boom, Christmas tree, shining bright. But yeah. I know this is probably a horrible financial decision again. I think tonight I'm withdrawing money to go buy some Casamigos, Casa Azul, whatever that fucking blue and white bottle is. for us and the boys for Thursday, because we're going out Thursday. I'm gonna chill the rest of the weekend. Also, last video I was sick, so I feel a lot better today. A lot. Since yeah, I'm uppity right now, but yes, we're going out Thursday. Buy some fucking Casa Azul. That fucking parlay hit. We're lit. We are lit. All glory to God. All praise to Him. And you know, that's how it's getting done, bro. That's how we're getting it done. I don't want to flash that. Ooh. That's the channel right there. Tuesday, boom. Double yellow folder news. Nowhere near macro. If I had to guess, we didn't do much today, but because there's no news moving the market. But we go over right quick. Right quick. I need to go jumpstart my fucking car. I can't believe there's so much shit happening. 3 tickets. Car won't even fucking start. I can't move my car. I got a ticket from where I parked. I can't even fucking move it. Oh, sorry. I went mute for a second to fill this shit out. Nope. Asian session lows. London session lows. Long dong chong. Damn. Yeah, I would not have taken any trades today. I can already tell. London session lows, Asian session lows. London session got taken all the way at 9, and then we came down and took it right. Asian session right at micro open. But after a low gets taken, like a session low, and there's another session low, like, under it, I'll never short after a low has been taken, especially an important low like that. So I would not have taken shorts, and you would have had to catch, like, this whole leg move up. Which, I mean, probably wasn't a good idea. And this leg didn't happen until 10:50. Yeah, there should have been no trades today. ES looks the exact same. This is London session right here. Low. So London session lows right there. Asian session. This is Asian session low. Okay, I don't need to even show you all that. There should have been no trades today. Easiest day ever. Opening the charts. This is crazy. I'm not even trading this week, and I'm missing literally nothing. I need to get a new ID, jumpstart my car, and yeah, sell that stuff. Bro, we are so lit, guys. Oh my god. Can't even explain this. Money comes and goes, and it's coming right back to me right now. I needed 165 to pay off my credit card. I am literally getting 165 because of that parlay hit yesterday. All praise to God. All praise. But yeah, I need to go jumpstart my car and figure out these tickets. Because we're in a little bit of a bad spot right now. I'm super sore. And hitting the gym. Boom. 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 I can't wait to get tats, bro. I want to get tats. Maybe a little chest piece or some shit. And we're about to go buy this Casamigos Casa Azul. I don't know which one it's called, but I'm buying that white blue bottle, the big ass one. Boom. Boom. And then we're gonna pay off my credit card. Yeah, I think I mentioned this in the other videos, but if you don't have money invested right now in crypto or something, I would highly suggest it. I have almost a band in crypto right now. It's for $800. But every time I need to withdraw it I only do use it for emergencies to pay off my credit card on time and shit. And it's worked. So whenever I take out some, maybe $100 or $50 or $200, it'll go up over time. At least now, Solana, XRP, all that stuff has been going up. So I withdraw it, and then it keeps going back up. And then we just keep the money flowing. That's how I've been paying off my shit. So if I ever need, emergency stuff, I have that. I have crypto. And then we have starting to hit on these parlays, baby. We're so turnt right now. I can't believe it. I gotta go take a shit, though. I gotta go poop. And And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. No trades today. Maybe not Wednesday and I mean, oh shit. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday don't look good either. So, boom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love every single one of you guys. Like, subscribe. Hope we get some more views. Peace out.